Hello, first graders, and welcome to another reading lesson of Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. Let me tell you a story. I went to my twins' niece's birthday party. There were presents on the table, games, and we had pizza. We also sang happy birthday. They tried to blow out can you guess? Candles. We cut and ate what do you think? Cake. Then they opened what do you think? Presents. Whoa. Were you at the party too? You are doing something right now that readers do all the time when they read stories. They pay attention to everything that's happened to figure out what comes next. Today, I want to teach you that when you read stories, you are not just tagging along behind the characters, you are also looking ahead and imagining what's next. You think about what's already happened to predict what might come next. Let's read Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. We're going to read Chapter 1, The Aquarium. Chapter 1, The Aquarium. One day, Iris's teacher, Miss Cherry, had an exciting announcement. This Friday, we're going on a field trip to the aquarium. The aquarium? Said Iris's best friend, Walter. Oh, boy. Are we going to see the sharks? Asked Benny. Are we going to see the penguins? Asked Iris. Are we going to see the starfish? Asked Jenny. We are all going to see many wonderful things, said Miss Cherry. That night, Walter had supper at Iris's house. Our class is going on a field trip, Rosie, said Iris. Up, said baby Rose. Where are you going? Asked Iris's father. We're going to the aquarium, said Iris. On the bus, said Walter. And we're going to see the penguins, Iris told Grandpa. I love penguins, said Grandpa. And after that, we're going to have a picnic in the park, said Walter. Oh my, I wish I were going on the field trip, said Iris's mother. Hey, Walter, do you want to be bus buddies? Iris asked. Sure, said Walter. What do you think is going to happen next? Take a minute to pause the video and have a discussion with someone and tell what you think will happen next. Now you can try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember to pay attention to what is happening in the story to help you predict what will happen next. After you finish reading your book, talk to someone about the predictions that you made. For a challenge, send a video to your teacher telling them about your predictions. All right, readers, off you go.